I'm NASA's Kennedy Public Affairs Specialist Intern Notori Thompson, and this is Nyla. And we're outside KSC to give you a look inside KSC. After launching from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A, NASA's SpaceX Crew 1 astronauts arrived at the International Space Station for their 6-month science mission. Mike Hopkins, Victor Glover, Shannon Walker, and Soichi Noguchi made history on the first crew rotation flight of a U.S. commercial spacecraft with astronauts to the space station. They launched aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft named Resilience on the company's Falcon 9 rocket. Joining the Expedition 64 crew, the new arrivals increased the regular crew size of the space station's expedition missions from 6 to 7 astronauts. This will boost the amount of crew time available for research. For more Inside KSC, please check us out on social media or at nasa.gov/Kennedy.